How to turn off notifications in Bilibili. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. After that, scroll down and look for the settings option, then tap on it. Inside the settings menu, find and select notification settings. Now you will see the option for notifications. Tap on it and it will open your device notification settings for Bilibili. Here, simply toggle the switch off to disable notifications. Once turned off, you will no longer receive notifications from Bilibili. Now you know how to turn off notifications in Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.